Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best treadmills under $1,500 that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the ZPUFDYM Portable Treadmill. This treadmill is designed for those who value portability and versatility. It features a 3.0 HP electric motor, which provides a decent range of performance for walking and light jogging. One standout feature is the removable desk workstation, making it a great fit for those looking to combine work and exercise. However, the ZPUFDYM treadmill has some drawbacks. With a maximum weight capacity of 265 pounds and limited customer reviews, averaging 3.3 out of 5 stars, it's clear this model is not the most durable option. The build quality feels lightweight, but this contributes to its portability. It's easy to fold and store, which is great for small spaces, but it lacks advanced features like incline adjustment or smart app integration. Overall, the ZPUFDYM is best suited for casual users or those on a tight budget who need a treadmill for light use. While it's not the most robust option on the list, its portability and removable workstation make it a unique choice for home offices. At number 4, we have the WellFit Treadmill for Home Small. This walking pad is an excellent choice for compact spaces and boasts a 10% incline feature that allows you to simulate uphill walking. The 2.5 HP motor operates quietly at under 40 decibels, making it ideal for home offices or shared spaces. Additionally, its compatibility with KinoMap and Apple Health sets it apart, offering app-based fitness tracking and virtual outdoor simulations. The design is incredibly lightweight at just 29 pounds, and its portability makes it easy to store under desks or beds. The 5-layer anti-slip running belt and 8-point shock absorption system ensure a joint-friendly experience, which is great for beginners or those with sensitive joints. However, the smaller running area of 35.83 by 14.17 inches might feel restrictive for taller users or those with longer strides. The WellFit treadmill shines in its versatility and tech integration, but its lightweight build and smaller dimensions may not appeal to advanced runners. It's perfect for light walking, especially for those working from home, but it's not designed for high-intensity workouts. Taking the third spot is the YRun Walking Pad Underdesk Treadmill. This compact treadmill is powered by a 2.5 HP brushless motor, which operates quietly and efficiently, making it an excellent choice for office environments. Its lightweight, portable design allows it to fit seamlessly under desks or in small spaces. Additionally, the dual shock absorption system protects your joints, making it a great option for daily walking or light jogging. The YRun treadmill also features app and remote control functionality, allowing you to track key metrics like speed, calories burned, and distance. With a top speed of 4 miles per hour, this treadmill is more suited for walking or light jogging rather than intense running. The alloy steel frame ensures durability, while the 265-pound weight capacity makes it accessible for most users. While the YRun excels in portability and quiet operation, the lack of incline options and limited speed range might be a drawback for those looking for a more versatile treadmill. Still, for anyone prioritizing convenience and joint protection, this walking pad is a solid choice. Our runner-up is the Abano Folding Treadmill. With a powerful 3.0-pound brushless motor, this treadmill offers a quiet and energy-efficient performance. Its speed range of 0.5 to 8.5 mph and manually adjustable incline of up to 8% make it suitable for both walking and running. The spacious running belt, 41.34 by 15.35 inches, provides a comfortable workout experience, while the foldable design with built-in wheels ensures easy storage. The LED display is clear and easy to use, showing essential metrics like speed, time, distance, and calories burned. The treadmill also includes convenient features like a cup holder and tablet stand. However, the manual incline adjustment may be less convenient for users who prefer automatic incline options. At 59 pounds, it's heavier than some of the other models on this list. But the robust build quality justifies the weight. The Abano folding treadmill is ideal for users looking for a balance of performance, durability, and compact design. It's a great choice for home use, offering excellent value for its capabilities. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the WellFit Auto Incline Treadmill. This heavy-duty treadmill is a powerhouse with its 4.5-engine brushless motor, capable of supporting speeds up to 10 miles per hour and a maximum weight capacity of 500 pounds. The standout feature is the 12% auto incline, which adds versatility and allows for more intense workouts. The 20 by 55-inch running area is spacious, making it suitable for users of all sizes. This treadmill is packed with features, including a smart heart rate monitor, Bluetooth connectivity, and a user-friendly LED display that tracks essential metrics like heart rate, speed, and calories burned. The 5-layer running belt and 8 shock absorbers ensure a joint-friendly experience, while the built-in speakers enhance the workout with music. While it's bulkier than other models, its foldable design helps save space when not in use. The WellFit Auto Incline Treadmill is the ultimate choice for users who want a high-performance, feature-packed treadmill for serious workouts. Its durability, advanced features, and robust build quality make it worth every penny, earning it the top spot on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.